What's the best thing about social media?
I think connecting with the world.
What's the worst thing about social media?
Spreading misinformation.
Yes. How do you use social media in your daily life?
I used to stay informed, entertained, and connected.
What's your favorite social media platform?
The one that's most relevant to my interests.
What advice would you give to some new to social media?
Be mindful of your privacy and use it responsibly.
What's the biggest impact social media has had on society?
Changing the way we communicate and consume information.
What's the future of social media?
More immersive and interactive experiences.
How can social media be used for good?
To raise awareness, connect people, and promote social change.
How can social media be used for bad?
To spread hate speech, misinformation, and cyberbullying.
What are ethical challenges of social media?
Protect users' privacy, prevent the spread of misinformation, and promote social responsibility.
How the social media have changed our way of interaction?
More online communication leaves us face-to-face interaction.
How can we consume news and information?
More personalized news feeds, less reliance on traditional media outlets.
How can we do business by social media?
More online commerce, less brick-and-mortar retail.
How can we learn and educate ourselves?
More online learning opportunities, less reliance on traditional classroom instruction.
How can we express ourselves creatively?
More opportunities to share our creativity with the world, less reliance on traditional publishing channel.
How can we participate in democracy and civic engagement?
More opportunities to connect with elected officials and advocate for change.
How can we interact with celebrities and other public figures?
More direct access to celebrities through social media.
What are some of the ways we travel and experience the world?
We explore new cultures and connect with people from all over the world.